Hello, I think we're live. Hi Facebook.
Hi live folks.
We're back again.
And we're late.
We're late.
I'm sorry.
It's a rainy, crappy day and we're late.
Well, and we're preparing for, I feel like we're so far away.
I don't know, are we far away?
I don't know.
Do we get closer?
We're preparing for my absence. I'm going to use the hand thing because it just worked better. Yeah, see, now I don't feel like we're so far away. Back here? I don't know. Anyways,
Your arm's gonna get tired though.
that's alright. We won't be on here long. Bye, we're done.
No, we're not. There has to be a point to this conversation.
It's true. Okay. I'm going away.
She's leaving on a boat.
Actually, I was told the other day that it's not a boat, it's a ship.
It's a boat.
Anything that's 95,000 tons is apparently a ship.
And who told you this, Stephanie?
No, the people from Monsters Rock are giving me a hard time.
It's a boat. It's in the water. It's a boat.
Yeah. Today is my last day. I am leaving.
Vacation.
I'm leaving on vacation. I'm pretty excited. It's been 527. I feel like this is a confession. Dear Lord, it's been 527 days since my last vacation. My mind is going. I need another one. there's my confession. Yeah, it has been 527 days since our last cruise.
Time.
We go once a year because of the odd two happening last year. It freaked us up, and so we're going. Yeah, we're going. So
You can tell them what cruise you're going on.
yes, we're going on we're actually flying down to Los Angeles a couple of days before the cruise so that we can hang out with some friends and go see some cool stuff. Like cool stuff. I'm gonna go see the General Lee. I'm gonna get to see the Lemmy statue, which makes my heart warm, and I'm gonna get to go see Ronnie James Dio's gravesite. Very excited.
Awesome.
Pretty excited. And then we're getting on a boat, or ship.
A ship.
95,000 ton ship with 2,400 of my closest rock family. Most of them I don't know. And
you'll know them by the end of the trip.
Yeah, a lot. We are kind of we all kind of know each other, and you get used to people after years. But we're sailing on the Monsters of Rock cruise through Norwegian Cruise Lines. It's actually
rocking out.
Yeah, we're gonna be rocking out.
Air guitaring.
It's gonna be pretty crazy. We can't wait. We got some friends going with us, so it'll be a pretty good time. And I'll be back on October 10th. So if there's anything you need from me, sorry. It's just the way it is. Everybody needs to take a vacation, and this one is mine, so I'm taking it.
Yep. Well deserved.
I earned it.
This lady works way too much. She needs a vacay.
I had a hard time when I first became self-employed with the idea of taking any time off. But I have now come to the realization that I need a vacation once in a while, or I will lose my mind.
Sane.
Yeah, it's true.
Everybody just needs to chillax. And, vacation doesn't necessarily mean you have to go anywhere. You can have a staycation, too.
It's true.
Everybody just needs to wind down every once in a while.
Yeah.
And, I don't know, I still think you're going to need a vacation from your vacation.
It's pretty likely.
It's a pretty packed
Maybe
vacation.
I won't come back till the 15th. I don't know. Anyways, so the point
She already said it. She'll be back on the 10th.
The point of all this is that you are welcome to message me on Facebook and leave me a message if there's anything you need. You're welcome to send me an email if there's anything you need. But know that I will not be addressing it until I'm back in the office on October 10th. I will be out on a boat in the middle of the ocean.
She will not have the Wi-Fi.
No, I'll be headed towards Mexico. And I will not be paying the ship prices for Wi-Fi. I'm sorry, folks. It's not happening. I wouldn't have any time to work anyways. There's only about a 3.5-4 hour sleep window there, so yeah.
She has to sleep at some point between rock concerts.
Yeah, so there's no working gonna happen.
There's not going to be any work done.
No. It's okay though.
Yeah.
So yeah, if there's an emergency, all of my clients, if you didn't get the email, then you got a message on Facebook, and if you I think everybody's read it, actually. I think I got read responses back from everybody or have spoken with everyone. So, so all my clients already know, all of my bookkeeping clients already know. And they know what to do if there's an emergency. You know, call 911. It'll be okay. And
they'll help you through your tax situation.
If you,
is there CPR for taxes?
No kidding. If you are a tax client, I don't have anything that I'm expecting to get from anybody anyways, so we should be okay. I mean, I have some ongoing issues that are under monitor, but I'll check on them the day I leave, and then I will check on them the day I get back. So.
And let's be honest, if you're late filing your taxes, you can wait 2 more weeks.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Well, the fact of the matter is, there's some stuff, some of the ongoing stuff we have with CRA might move in that time. But right now, their time frame is around 130 to 150 days for activity.
I don't even like to talk about that.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So
we still have stuff we're waiting on from June.
We have a tax question!
We have a tax question! Yay!
Tax question. This is not going to be a tax question. Are Tommy's many chains tax deductible due to his side job as a Mr. T impersonator?
Yes.
So,
if he was a real Mr. T impersonator, hell yeah.
All right, Jim. Nice question. In all reality, yes.
It's a business expense.
If the Mr. T impersonations were actually a job rather than a hobby.
Unfortunately for Tommy, it's only a hobby.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
you gotta get rid of that too. Yeah, so
the CRA says you have to make money at a job or it's a hobby.
Yeah. So if it's a hobby, nothing is deductible. Yeah. If it's a job, then it's deductible.
So if he starts charging, then yeah.
Yeah, but he'll
who
do
wants to,
he'll
who
do
wants to pay to look at Tommy. We do it for free all the time.
That's a horrible thing to say about my husband.
Oh, I love him.
Too funny. We give him a hard time. I tried to talk him into coming on live, actually. I was kind of like, but no, not happening. I got totally sidetracked there. Jim, you turkey.
Alex said, we have a tax question.
Yeah, not a tax question.
It was.
It was, I guess, yeah. It's funny because I saw somebody on Facebook this morning talking about the fact that they have to go to and from Bedford for some dental work for her daughter, which really sucks. Because sometimes when you have to go to a specialist and there isn't one around Cape Breton, you have to drive to Antigonish or Halifax or Truro or wherever. And I made a note of letting her know to keep the dates and the receipts. Just a quick reminder about that, guys. Don't bother keeping gas receipts. Don't bother keeping food receipts, because the daily allotment that the CRA gives you for your taxes is worth more than you're going to spend anyways. Mm-hmm. So you get...
It's better to go by your kilometers.
It is, yeah. You get a per kilometer from your home to the place that you're getting the medical treatment done at, and you'll never spend as much in gas as it's worth. Like a to and from Halifax is about $200. So,
but hold on to your receipts for your hotel.
Yep, hold on to the hotel receipts and some sort of documentation about the actual appointment itself. Most doctors will give you a list of the times that you went to see them throughout the year if there's multiple visits, but either way, even an appointment card counts to say that you were there.
All medical expenses.
Yep.
Good for tax season.
It is. Same with the meals. She had mentioned that she had kept, like McDonald's receipts and stuff. There's a $51 a day allotment for per person for 3 meals a day. So unless you're spending more than that, and if you do, you're probably going to get looked at, because they expect it to be necessity food, right? If you
can't be sipping wine and expect to get it covered.
No, don't go out to Montana's with 16 people and expect that to be a medical deduction. It's not going to happen, right? But they give you a $51 a day per person allotment for meals anyways, $17 a meal or $51 a day. So
that's pretty good.
Yeah, don't even bother keeping your receipts for that either. Like I say, keep the hotel and keep some record of the actual trip itself. That's all you need.
Proof from the doctor that you were there. That's about it.
Yeah. And it's all a medical deduction. Yay.
Yay.
As are any
deductions.
costs to have letters drawn up. So if you go to your doctor and you need to get a letter to say you were there, and he goes, well, that'll be $20.
Tax deduction.
$20 is a tax deduction too. Just get a receipt.
Yep.
100%. So yeah, in my absence, if you need anything, I apologize, but I will deal with it as soon as I get back. I have to say that my responses will be Canada Revenue first, clients next, and then new inquiries after that. Because last time I went on vacation, I came home to several hundred emails, and I sort of have to wade through them. But I'll get back to you as quick as I can, and Tracy will do some helping with that kind of stuff. So we'll be okay.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. But if you have any questions, we're still here. And we won't be gone long. Something that we're kind of talking about right now, we sort of have a little bit of exciting news. And we can't really let the cat out of the bag entirely yet, but we're gonna be experiencing a little bit of growth pretty quickly. And although I don't really want to talk about the details of it, I'll tell you that it's going to open up our ability to take on some new clients.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool.
Which is always great.
Yeah.
New bookkeeping clients.
Yeah. To this point, I've kind of been turning people away lately because we've been full.
Swamped.
We're full. Yeah. When we have enough to do, we have enough to do, right? Tracy and I can only do so much in a day. Although some days, I got crap yesterday for emailing a client at 11:30 last night, but I'm sorry.
You have to go to bed eventually.
Well, I do, but all of you guys know that, when Tommy's out working, I might as well work, and he was doing some work, and so I did some work. Sorry.
I wasn't here. I was at home in bed.
Oh my god, if you're ever here at 11:30 at night, shoot me in the head. That would suck. That would be a long day.
It's my home away from home.
It would be a long day. Anyways, when we can make the announcement, we will. But if you know of anybody who needs our help, not just somebody looking for a bookkeeper, but if you really know somebody who needs our help, now's the time to send them before we're full again. Mm-hmm. So we have a little window of opportunity here, and if you know somebody who needs to make the swap to somebody who's going to give a darn about what they've got going on, send them our way.
Yep.
Yeah. And we will
help them
in line
to the best of our ability. That's for sure.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good thing.
Yes.
I'm pretty excited. It's hard for me to contain my excitement, actually. It is. I'm pretty sure it's probably hard for you to contain your excitement,
too. It's
exciting,
yeah.
Yeah, I'm just like, ah! So yeah, it's some pretty cool stuff. But we'll talk more about that once it's all public.
Best part is, though, we get to bring on more people. It's cool.
It's cool. It's good. So, I don't know what else. Can you think of anything else? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to tell you guys before I go.
We're officially into fall.
Are you going to do live next week?
I don't know. Would people like me to do live next week
on
by
the
myself?
Spot. I never thought about that.
I never thought about that either.
I totally forgot. I totally forgot.
Maybe she'll do a live from the boat.
No, no way. Actually, where am I Friday?
You're not here.
Friday, I'm in Los Angeles. I leave the next morning on the boat. So no, I'm not going to do live from LA on Friday. I'm sorry. There may or may not be a live. If there's a live, Tracy will send out an invite.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how I feel.
Yeah.
Maybe. If I can think of something to talk about.
Yeah, you guys submit your questions. If you want Tracy to do a live, then get on it. Get us some questions.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's awesome. There's always stuff that we can talk about with regards to taxes, but we'd really like to know what you guys want to know. What do you want to know? Have you got questions? Is there something you want to know about?
People must have questions.
Yeah.
Must.
Yeah. Tax season is coming, and I know you all probably hate this.
Tax season is really close.
It's closer than you'd like to think. It's here. Whenever we go into that starting to prepare the third quarter tax or HST remittances, that's when my brain goes, oh, we're almost at the end of the year. Like, I start to go,
Yeah,
so
it's right around the corner, people.
Yeah, so know that tax season is coming upon us.
And nobody likes to hear the C word, but Christmas is coming, and right after that, taxes.
It's true. It's true. Tax season's coming. If you want to share the video, go ahead and share it, but here's the lowdown. We do income taxes for personal people for $35. Includes tax, so includes your GST, or HST, I guess. And there's no hidden costs for extra slips or
we always get
medical
questions
receipts,
like if we have to print off a T4, if we have to pull up this, that, and the other thing, if there's an extra cost. No,
Yep.
It's just $35 flat rate.
Yep, $35. That's it. Yep.
We've seen invoices for different places,
Oh.
and they charge them for each individual slip. It's crazy.
It's true. I mean, I don't know if you guys have seen them, but we've seen some that are pretty astonishing. There was one a little while ago. It was like $140 to get your taxes done, and then $5 for every slip.
So it's like, what did the $145 go towards?
What did it cover? What did the
It didn't cover
They
anything.
charge for e-file. They charge per slip for the T4. They charge for the T4E for unemployment. They charge for the Schedule 1, which is your basic tax calculation. Oh my god, I was mad. I still remember my blood. I'm actually, my blood's boiling a little bit thinking about it. But I said to Tracy,
the end cost was over $250.
and I said to Tracy, what the
Just
heck
file
was
your
the $440 for?
Candi does it for $35. I'm like, I don't know. I think
like, just crazy. So
math is kind of off on that one.
Yeah,
But,
I don't know. I don't know who's getting away with charging $140, but all the power to you. You're crazy. Crazy to pay it.
The thing that upsets me is people pay it.
Yeah, I know. I always feel sorry for people, and I'm not going to do this, so what I'm about to say, don't ask me to do, because I'm not going to do it. But I always feel when somebody brings me a receipt like that, I always feel like, oh my god, I'm just going to do it for free, because you overpaid last year. Like, I feel so bad about it, right?
And the one that you were talking about, they did it wrong.
I know.
So not only did it cost somebody over $250, it was wrong.
It was wrong. Yeah.
And guess who fixed it?
Oh my god.
We did!
What a sin it was, too. I hate when somebody pays that much money to get personal taxes done. But, I mean, to pay that much money and then...
We have to charge them for our time. Like,
Yeah.
We have to use software in our time, and it just, it sucks.
Yeah. It does. I hate charging people when they've overpaid to begin with. But, it's still, we're providing a service, and I have costs, too. So, it is what it is. But... we are wide open for new clients for the tax season. So share.
Yep, bring your friends.
Throw our name out there.
Bring your friends, bring your relatives.
Yep. I'm telling you, if I was your friend.
Coworkers.
Yeah, coworkers.
If
I was your friend and I had paid $80 to get my taxes done at the big green box over there, and you came to me and said, oh my god, I paid $35. Candi did mine for $35, and e-filed it included, and taxes included, blah, blah, blah.
I'd be all over that.
I would be like, I love you, friend. Thank you for saving me all this money. Like, it's a huge, I don't know. I think more people need to speak up and help their friends. I want the business. I mean, obviously, right? I'm not going to lie to you and say, that it's out of the goodness of your heart that you should be doing this. But the fact of the matter is, if it was my friend, if you knew about this service and didn't tell me, and I went to if I went to the other place,
I'd be mad.
I would be like, I paid $80 and you got
know somebody for $35.
Like, I'd be a little bit.
E-files certified?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'd be a little bit disappointed. But
are you going to do the referral program this year?
I am.
Exciting! So not only can you bring your friends, you can save yourself some cashola.
Every single person that comes to me, I ask them where they found me. Sometimes they'll say Google, sometimes they'll say Facebook, sometimes they'll say Tracy, wherever. If somebody comes to me and I ask them where they came from and they give me your name, I actually have these cool little slips that I keep. Little slips. And I keep track of who sent who.
Are good because slips save you money.
Every single one of these little slips is worth $5 off for you. So you pay $35 to get your personal taxes done, right? If you send me somebody, and I put your little, right? You send me somebody, you're going to get $5 off next time you do your taxes. So now your $35 is down to $30.
And if you refer 2 people,
$25.
And if you refer 3 people,
$20.
$20.
We could continue to do math because we're brilliant, but
Yes.
you can do the math yourself. If you send enough people, I will do your taxes for free. I actually have a couple of clients that send so many people that I have one girl, I don't know if she'll ever pay her to do her taxes again, because every year I'm like, wait, you have a credit with me still. And she's like, but I'm not going to shut up about you. And I'm like, okay. And so she's got this stupid credit that's going to, I think last time I counted, we're at 4 years. She won't pay for 4 years. So.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Can you imagine, like...
I have it in the accounting because, like, the slips would be ridiculous, right? We'd have this big stack of slips on her file, but yeah, it's pretty funny.
Yeah, so bring your coworkers and tell them to be like, yeah, so-and-so sent me, and then you save money.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yep. If you have an employee, here's something I did last year for a couple of companies that, just smaller ones, but I mean, I'll do it for any size company. If you have an employee and you want to give them a deal, you can do it as well. So you have 2 choices. You can give them a gift certificate for free taxes, and you just pay me, and I give you the little gift certificate to give to them. Or I had one guy with 5 employees just prepay me for all 5 of his employees, and all 5 of them could get their taxes done for free. So he put a little.
Brilliant.
It was cool actually because he put a little. It was really
good for
sweet.
a Christmas bonus because you gotta do taxes right after Christmas, and honestly. Who has money after Christmas?
I know, and he put a really cool little letter, a handwritten letter from himself, in with their T4 slips, saying, thank you for everything you did for me this year. One less thing you got to worry about on covering your tax prep. It was the coolest thing.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
That's
awesome.
awesome.
I thought it was brilliant of him. So I was like, okay, I'll do this for other people for sure.
Well, let's be honest. Everybody has to file taxes.
It's true.
Everybody has to pay to file them. So yeah, I think that's a great little idea.
It was cool. It was really cool.
And like I said, who has money kicking around after Christmas? And,
it's true.
You know.
And everybody wants their taxes filed as quick as possible. Don't panic. You're not gonna get it e-filed before the 15th of February this year.
No, e-file doesn't open until the 2nd week in February.
Yeah.
So
we'll know the date in early January. We'll know the actual date that you can file your taxes, like the first day. But it's never the first week in February. It's always the second week at least. So. But I'll know. As soon as we know it, we'll publish it all over the place.
And we
the day
still
that you
have
can get going.
online, you can make your appointments. You can book your appointment right now if you want it to.
Yeah, seriously, if you're that far ahead of the game, you can go on the Facebook page. You'll see it says book now. Click on the little book now button, and you can actually book your tax appointment.
So if you want to come in on like February 15th when e-file opens, if that's the date, once we get the date, you can make your appointment if you want.
We did that last year, actually, when I announced the date. That day and the next day filled up almost instantly. It was crazy.
Well, yeah,
it filled up
people
really
want
fast.
their returns.
Yeah, really fast. I don't know what else. We kind of went off in a bunch of different directions there, but that's what happens when you guys don't submit questions.
We didn't really have structure today.
No, not really. More than anything, I just wanted to say thank you. Hi, Steph. Do you want to be on live?
No. I don't think she wants to be on live.
So I guess I'm going to publicly thank everybody for helping me make this vacation happen. All the friends that are coming with me, all the friends I'm going to meet there. I know some of you watch these. All of the people who are going to stay home and take care of my house and my child and my pets. I love you all.
You're welcome.
You're very welcome. Thank you, I mean.
I'm not going on the boat.
I'm thanking you very thanking. I don't know. You know what I meant.
I will be here watching the pets and the Stephanie. So
I'm going to be hunting for some kind of thank you gift. I don't know what it is. We'll see. I'll find something cool.
You're funny.
A cat.
But, yeah. A cat. Don't say that. Mike sees us, he'll kill us. Yeah, so, and thank you guys for your patience with me and allowing me this vacation. I really need it. Really, really badly.
Yes.
Really badly.
Yes.
And, if you have any questions for next week's live, submit them, because if there's no questions, there may not be a live, right? Tracy's, you gotta talk her into it. So,
I'll see what I can figure out.
submit some questions.
I have an idea in mind, so we'll see.
Ooh, she has an idea.
We'll see.
I'm pretty excited. I won't even be able to watch it till I get home either. That's cool. Very cool.
Uh,
All right, so we're going to let you go. And I'll see you in 2 weeks.
Enjoy your weekend, everybody. Enjoy your vacation, Candi.
Oh my God, I leave in 3 days.
Yes.
2 days. I don't know. I'm gone. I'm done. Today's my last day. Bye, guys.
See you later.
Thanks.